In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a boy named Aiden. Aiden was a dreamer with an adventurous spirit, and his favorite pastime was flying kites. Every afternoon, after finishing his chores and homework, he would rush to the open fields outside the village with his colorful kite in hand. Aiden's kite was no ordinary kite, it was a gift from his grandfather, intricately designed with vibrant hues and patterns. His grandfather, who was once an avid kite flyer himself, had taught Aiden the art of flying a kite with patience and love. One breezy afternoon, as the sun dipped low on the horizon, Aiden set out to the fields with his trusty kite. The wind was perfect, not too strong and not too gentle. With practiced hands, he let the kite soar into the sky, its tail dancing gracefully behind it. As Aiden watched his kite dance with the wind, he felt a sense of freedom and joy engulf him. He ran across the field, guiding the kite higher and higher, its colors painting the sky with beauty. But just as Aiden was lost in the moment, a sudden gust of wind caught the kite and pulled it forcefully. Aiden's heart raced as he struggled to control the runaway kite, but it was no use. The kite soared higher and higher, disappearing into the vast expanse of the sky. Heartbroken, Aiden watched his beloved kite disappear into the distance. Tears welled up in his eyes as he realized he might never see it again. But then, he remembered his grandfather's words, "Sometimes, the most beautiful things in life are meant to be set free." With a newfound determination, Aiden wiped away his tears and looked up at the sky. He knew that his kite was out there, dancing among the clouds, carrying his dreams and aspirations with it. From that day on, Aiden continued to fly his kite, not with the hope of keeping it forever, but with the joy of letting it roam the skies and spread happiness wherever it went. And as he watched his kite disappear into the distance, he smiled, knowing that some bonds are meant to be felt even when they're out of sight.